Hi, Preston. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing all right. Nice to see you.
Okay. Can you share your camera, please? Or
Oh yeah.
face? Yeah, looking good. Before we start, can I explain something? Something how we can do it or manage?
Sure, yeah, go for it.
Yeah, my name is Milan Rai. You can call me by my name. Basically, I'm working or focusing on Meta and Google Ads.
Yeah, yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
So I would like to share my screen and showing something my recent or active Facebook ads campaign or something like that.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Just I'm now doing my sharing screen and yeah. I hope you can see my screen right now.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah. This is a website called GA and R Roofing and here is the ad account. As you can see, last 28 days we have got 133 leads. And here you can see per lead maybe $100, and here we can see cost per results are when I optimize the campaign, then I have got only 87. As you can see, we are getting lead.
hmm
If I shortly talk about Google Ads, so here you can see I have lots of experience also Google Ads, and here you can see we have spent 122k and purchase or sales, here we can see 3067k, and also the impression is 11.3 millions. And if I talk about our clicks, 123k.
It's good.
Okay, so yeah, before
But
we start,
their ad spend on that's pretty high though. Huh?
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, let me explain why it's high, because it's depend on the business actually. So the Facebook ad, that business is the roofing and or a window. So the per customer they are generating like the 10,000 or to 20,000. So they are happy with that budget, like the per lead 100. So they 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 also happy with like if the per lead cost is the 200, because the market is the high and like the competitor is high, but their customer also is like the big budget customer. It's not the low budget customer. That's the reason is cost is high. But based on your business, it should not be like this budget will be the cost.
Yeah, because like I was telling you, like I'm trying to figure out just to, with my budget, like I told you in the message of what I had, if that's even something I should even do right now, or that's a whole other topic. But yeah.
Like we can start with the $20 per day or the $10 per day to start.
Okay.
Publish at the beginning.
Okay. Do you guys do SEO?
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, you can continue with Milan.
Yeah.
And I know SEO takes longer. It's like a 3 to 6 month thing, right?
Yes, it does.
And like ads are, because I've had a lot of different businesses in my career, and certain businesses, yeah, we had a huge budget, I mean, but with this one, I'm trying to, I'm starting with $1,000 a month right now, and I'm like, okay, what can I do with that?
Okay,
right
now can you see my screen clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, so here you can see the task name, and task name is website audit, set up Google Search Console, and lots of keyword research for this brand or website. And also if I scroll down, then you can see page SEO, and then product SEO or website content, and here you can see keyword research and the search volume and the KD, that means keyword difficulty, ranking possibility, easy, very easy, or high or medium, something like that. And if I go on content sections, then as you can see, we focus the which keywords are most searched on the targeted location. Okay, so we will definitely flow or focus that type of keywords when we SEO your website. Okay,
Okay.
and if I talk about our on-page SEO, we will definitely audit your website first of all, and after that, if I found there's some issues or fix them, then we will properly fix them. Okay.
Go.
So yeah, if you have another questions, we will complete the SEO project perfectly. Here you can see technical SEO that calls sitemap XML, robot.txt, page load time, optimize JS or CSS. SSL certificate must be installed on your website. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is all. This is, to be honest, this is all stuff that I need to bring on because I don't know.
Exactly.
I don't know the details like you guys.
Yeah, this is my recent client project. I have listed each and every details on Google spreadsheet. And here our page SEO, we will listing the business on many citations. Okay, here you can see backlinks, DAPA, and work labeling. Lots of listing here. I have completed the project recently. And profile backlinks.
Yeah, this is yeah, I guess with that too is like as far as strategies, because how I typically will do a business is lean on the experts when it comes to their positions or whatever a strategy. Um, I guess one of my big things would be just kind of based on budget and type of business, that it is, and lean on the experts, being you guys, of what to do. That's kind of my. Now, if it came to like the care that I'm providing, like I'm like the expert in that area, but when it comes to like marketing and the fine details and strategy, I'm no expert in that area. So I just needed someone that would be on long term, that I'd be able to trust and responsive, and that just can understand that it's a newer business and exactly what it is that can handle this back end, go high level if things need to be adjusted or to sync up with other people's calendars, and just kind of any other little questions that I have, just to kind of being able to just handle it. And within like once because when you guys come on board with the company, you guys have to first learn the whole business, right?
Exactly. We will try our best.
Okay, so the website is basically how you learn the business, and then you'll maybe do some of your other research on some other companies, and you'll kind of have an idea of how to automate the go high level and then market it correctly based on, because it's a virtual business, so it can go really all over the United States. And I even have a couple people in Australia, but main focus is the United States. So I guess within that budget to start, you guys can handle all the go high level automation. It is on WordPress, like I was telling you, and then I know SEO is a longer play, and I need to get clients coming as soon as possible based on there's other big competitors, but that's why you guys do what you do, though, right? So, yeah, I mean so you guys just can pretty much handle it. I mean, everything on the back end of the marketing and all this too, huh?
Yes, we do.
Wow. Awesome. Okay. And then within the budget, what we talked about, is that something that's doable for you guys?